Got my first order as soon as I launched the apps. We got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $16 going 5 miles, only one item. Tell me it's not this one. Yes, it is. I wonder what that Pokemon machine is. It says, my neighbor's house has the same address as mine. Okay, but my house is green. Okay, I'll keep an eye out for a greenhouse. Next order popped in right away. This is gonna be for Seize the Bagel, $7.75 going 3.5 miles. Oh, I just got one of those crazy Walmart orders. Looks like this one's a stack. It was $76 going 9.5 miles. I am the only person here. That's always a little worrisome, but we'll see what happens, I guess. I see movement. Nice and quick pickup. I like that. The last initial on this other drop-off does not match what it's saying on the app, but I scanned it in, so it should be right, hopefully. And I'm pretty sure all the other stickers on the other bags, they all match up, so I think I should be good. Bro, I am like on top of a mountain right now. Surprised my car made it all the way up here. Okay, here we go. Next order looks like 7-Eleven, $8 going 4 miles.
That's a Go Cam right there? And I like the hat, bro. Where you get that at, bro?
Yeah.
You came in fitted today, bro. Damn, bro.
I'm working on that. I think that I only have 10 tacos out of the 20. I'm trying to make sure. Thank you.
It's been a hot minute since my last order, but I finally got one. This one's McDonald's, $8 and some change going 4 miles. Hello. You too. Man, do I love it when orders are just sitting there waiting for me. It says I am in the S building, which is across from the building labeled D. Of course it is. That makes sense. Next up, we've got a different McDonald's. This one's gonna be $7 and some change going 3 miles. I've got the next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $9.75 going 3 miles, only one item. Nothing like a little third floor action to get the blood pumping. I'm actually not too mad about that one because it's kind of chilly out today. That one warmed me up a little bit. Just got the next order. This one's gonna be for 7-Eleven. I believe this one's gonna be alcohol. $9.75 going 3.5 miles. Thank you. I think this is it. Is this the front door though? Hopefully my car's still there when I get back. Probably should have turned it off at least. Are those any good? I've never seen those before.
Yeah, they're actually really good.
Are they? They look like energy drinks.
With alcohol.
Is that what they are?
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds like my type then. I just got the next order. This one's gonna be for McDonald's. $8.25 going less than 3 miles. I'm literally right next to it, but I got stuck in the wrong lane, so need to pop a quick Yui up here somewhere. I mean, I don't think it's gonna be ready, so I could probably take my time anyways. 690. Thank you. Thank you. Never mind then. They had a bunch of orders just sitting there. I got lucky. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is for a different McDonald's. This one's going to be $10 and some change going about 5 miles.
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, good thing I'm kind of far away from this restaurant because there's 17 items in this order. Okay, they ordered 13 cookies. That's why. Wait, it says cookie totes. I really hope that means individual cookies and not the actual totes, but they have 13 of them. Okay, this one might be an issue. We'll see.
It's both bags, okay? This one has just drinks, so be extra careful with that one, okay?
Does that one have like all the cookies in it? There's like a bunch of them on there?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's right in this one as well. The cookies and the drinks in one, and then the food in the other.
Okay, thank you. Okay, cool. I think it was just 13 cookies, which is still a lot of cookies, but a lot better than 13 totes full of cookies, which I was expecting. Okay, I think it's actually gonna start to rain, so I'm not trying to get rained on today. I'm gonna go home. Current time is 11:11. Current total is 165, and I think I just have one Uber tip yet to come in, so probably like 170. Honestly, I thought I'd have a better day considering the Walmart order, but definitely had a lot of downtime in between orders, so oh well. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.